guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. What's up? It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith, and I am here with an update on a Printify embroidery hat. So as you guys remember, doing the stationery series, I ordered an embroidery hat that says small business owner on the front, and I talked about how close the letters were, which I felt like was probably the font or a mistake on my own, and I was gonna go back and like spread it out some. The lovely folks at Printify reached out to me. I am a affiliate of Printify. So again, if you want to sign up, hit the link down below in my description box. But I got a reprint of the hat, and this time around I chose a different font so you guys can see how good the embroidery work is on the Printify hat. So again, this is just a quick video to update you guys on the embroidery hat. This looks so much better compared to these thick fonts right here. So a few tips: when you do create your design, make sure you spread out your spacing on your words if they're like thicker letters like that, so it gives the machine a chance to like go around those tighter creases, and your words can look really great on your hat like this. So it shipped out on October 15th and it arrived on October 19th. Again, thank you guys for sending this reprint. I love it. It looks good. Well, I can't put it on right now because I have a high ponytail, but let's see if I was to, but this is what it would look like on. Looks really good. Again, the print is amazing, and thank you guys at Printify for shipping me a new hat. And again, if you haven't checked out some of Printify products, I have a video that just released about some new candles at Printify. I'm waiting on my samples to come, so make sure you guys are tuned into that video. Again, I'll be unboxing everything that I order so you guys can see and I can test the quality of the products that I desire and that you may be thinking of selling during this holiday season. Until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.